guys, and welcome back to another video for the Bull and Bear Analyst. Today we're looking at the Nasdaq 100. Just before we start, as always, if anyone's interested in joining my free market analysis group over on Telegram, please feel free to scan the barcode on your screen right now. Okay guys, so looking at the Nasdaq 100, currently trading at 11,358. So the Nasdaq had a huge rally last week, and it was really surprising. We had a 5% rally. We did expect this, that we're going to see a rally in the stock market, and Nasdaq was going to be pushing a bit further. And yes, it did happen. And it's actually quite surprising because looking at the big tech companies, we have Microsoft down 10%, Apple 10%, Amazon minus 20, and Meta minus 20, Apple at around minus 5%. We would be expecting Nasdaq to crumble here all the way to 10,000, maybe even 10,500. We could be testing yearly lows. But in return, we actually went back up, and we are testing the 50-day EMA, which is absolutely great. And I think this is because of the small caps. I think investors are looking at this and looking at these stocks, especially these big stocks and these huge companies. They're looking at them. They're like on discount right now, and they're really seeing it as huge buying opportunities, and they're buying and pushing the market up, and they're going to be sweeping all these cheap stocks that have been on discount. So these smaller caps have pushed the market up, and I think once the capital will continue in the technology stock market, will raise the Nasdaq 100 and the stock market up all the way maybe to the 200-day EMA. Now we have a test around the 50-day EMA. We did get slightly rejected from it, but we could be going back up to that level. I don't think Nasdaq will go down. We've been moving in a small uptrend here, and we're going to be moving. In my opinion, I think we're going to be moving it around this small uptrend. We do have a seasonal bullish move to the stock market, around November, December, and the beginning of the year. So we're gonna see it test the 50-day EMA, and if we break above the 50-day EMA, we could potentially aim for the 200-day EMA. It's all the way up to 12,692, so almost to 607, almost 700. Sorry, we could be aiming for the 200-day EMA, and then we could see a huge rally in the Nasdaq 100. Yeah, I think these dips are good buying opportunities to have right now, and I think I will definitely buy and look into like bullish opportunities in the Nasdaq 100.